How to fix YouTube sound no longer playing through Bluetooth device. So if you want to fix YouTube sound no longer playing through your Bluetooth device, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your Bluetooth section. So tap and hold onto your Bluetooth and it will take you to this kind of interface. Go with more Bluetooth settings. And once you're under this kind of interface, you just need to simply go with the Bluetooth device in which you're facing the problem. For example, I'll be choosing a Bluetooth device. Go with settings, which is on the right side of that. And here you will have an option of phone calls, media audio, contacts and call history sharing, right? So if you want to fix the YouTube sound no longer playing, then make sure that you've turned on the media audio section, because if it is not turned on, then you will no longer have the sound on your Bluetooth device. So make sure that the media audio section is turned on. Once it's turned on, then you'll fix your problem. But if that doesn't, then you can simply restart your device, and after resetting, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your YouTube sound no longer playing through the Bluetooth device. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.